Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
Well, after all that we spent last week, let's see how little we can spend this week.
There we go. Let's get to it.
All right, so we're grabbing... Could you hold them up? All right, so we're grabbing one pizza and one sour cream and onion Pringles, and they're $1.96 per can. Okay, we grabbed one case of the Pepsis for our son. We get them usually every 2 or 3 weeks. We're going back to the Pepsis again. It says $9.28, but when we scan it to try to confirm the price, it tells us that it can't find the product. And we're going to get some pie crust. This is for Thanksgiving. Is that you're gonna make egg custard? Pie. Yeah, he's gonna make an egg custard pie with it, and it's on rollback. It's $2.87. All right, and he's grabbing 2 cookies and cream Pop-Tarts for our son. And as always, as we've been saying for like 4 months now, it is not $1.50. It's $1.78, and they won't correct that label. Okay, so we're grabbing some little baby red potatoes, the $3.47.
98 cents per pound.
98 cents per pound for 2 russet potatoes. We're gonna make French fries, and then this. So the Ibotta rebate should kick in, and when it does, we're looking at about $9 for this turkey. There were some smaller ones that might have been less than $14 if we'd have picked that one, but it was like really small. So, but $9 for a 20-pound turkey, can you beat that? All right, so we will let you know for sure if Ibotta gave us the $14 off. And that's all we have for this haul. Like we said, small haul this week.
All right, so there's our Walmart haul. We told you it was going to be a small one just because it was kind of fill-in week, and the total was $51.67. But 25 of that was $23 of that was a turkey, and then another $2.50 was some pie crust that we're going to use for Thanksgiving and probably Christmas too. So
yeah, so we were just getting ahead on a couple of our Thanksgiving items. Had we not been getting those, it would have been like $25.
yeah,
We really only needed the potatoes was the necessary thing, and then our we for some reason don't buy our son enough food to last for 2 weeks, and so we end up buying more during the fill-in haul. So that's basically what it was, a couple of things for him for the fill-in stuff and the potatoes.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Oh, and he needed a French bread, but Walmart didn't have any, so we'll have to go to another store to get that. But other than that, we got everything I think that we needed. So now we're on to our meal plan.
Yep. And if you see the recipe alert icon up there, then you know the recipe we're listing is already in our recipe playlist. If you don't see it, then you can vote on that for the recipe of the week.
Yeah. All right, so we're starting off with cilantro lime chicken.
And then we do leftovers from that. We have we do burritos. We do burritos for that. So
turn it a little bit like that so it don't cut the side of your face off.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So then we're gonna have some meatballs and spaghetti.
Then we're going to chicken broccoli stir fry.
Homemade cheeseburgers. Why did I say homemade?
I don't know. Baked skinless boneless thighs.
That's a new recipe for us. By the way, if you see a little icon that comes up that says recipe alert, that means that we have made it on the channel before, and you can find that recipe down in our recipe playlist. But if you do not see that icon, then that means we've never made it, and you're welcome to vote on it for the recipe of the week. Currently we're doing Thanksgiving side dishes or Christmas side dishes, and then in December we're going to be doing desserts. But after that, in January, we'll come back with those recipes that everybody's voting on right now. So be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss those recipes.
Yep. All right. And then we're going to do homemade pizza.
And Cajun tortellini soup.
All right. So drop us a comment below and let us know which one you'd like to vote on for the recipe of the week. I think there's only one on there. So
yeah,
one new one.
probably.
So go ahead and vote on that. If it's more than one, you'll know because you'll see the alert. If it's more than one, then vote on your favorite one. If not, just vote on the one that you have there.
Or vote on something that you didn't even see and just say, I'd like to see you make that. And
Drop us a comment
we'll
if you'd like to see us make a recipe. We don't eat everything, so if we don't try it ourselves, then we will link them. We'll look for another recipe that we can link the video to, so that you can see it made. All right. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates when we upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, sometimes in between. You just kind of never know. We're going to drop one in there. But with that said, that's going to do it today for The Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget, it's the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye. Okay, we have been talking about this for a while, that we were saving up for a deep freezer. We finally bought it. We could have gotten a cheaper one, of course, but if y'all know, you know that I'm really, really short, and the ones that are, what do they call them? The kind that... Chest freezers, I feel like I'm literally climbing inside of it trying to reach anything on the bottom. So we saved up so that we could get a upright. So you got that. It has the ability to go from upright from freezer to just being a refrigerator if you want it to, but I'm not sure what purpose that would be. But anyway, so this is it, and as you say, we just got it and we're setting it up so that it'll be cold enough to put some food in it. And be watching. We're gonna have some videos come out sometime in the new year about how you can use that freezer to meal plan a month in advance and save a whole bunch of money on food by doing a whole month's meal plan. So we did that when Joel lost his job. We had a chest freezer back then, and we would really maximize that freezer space to buy a month's worth of groceries at a time and try to save as much as possible. We will show you how we did that in upcoming videos, but we just thought we'd show you that we do have it now. Yay!